So the length of time required to awaken to all of this, in my own case, 1992 was entering the Enlightenment classroom, and it's 17 years has gone by to finally figure out that I've just been playing more games of being lost within that time. Certainly a different classroom to the classroom that was before that. But Julie, she came into it in 2004, 2003. Took her 9 months to become stable in the quality of beingness. And then it only took another 3.5 years. What does that say of me? I've spent 17 years. There's no problem with these 17 years. I'm very grateful that it's awakening now, for Christ's sake. But this is not necessary for you or for anyone. This length of time, the enlightenment trip as we know it on this planet, it's as good as it is. It's often mistaken, most often mistaken, to be more than what it actually is. It's just a classroom along the way. It's just a stepping stone. We're not meant to camp out there. We can, but that's not our destiny. We're already free of it. And this pivotal point of now, right now, in this very moment, where you are very capable and totally capable of finding what it is that you are. That's pivotal. That's pivotal to the whole time frame. Not that we're in any rush. Because there is no rush. You already are. Turn this moment of your isness into something less, and yes, you will suffer that. That's not my rule.